To improve the opioid crisis in Olmsted County are now on the way. Tonight, Rochester City Council voted to authorize $640,000 in collaboration with Olmsted County's Community Outreach Overdose Response Team. This would add an additional peer recovery specialist. Olmsted County's Community Response Team offers training, overdose outreach, pathways to treatment, awareness, and community partnerships. So there were some other things discussed at the City Council meeting as well. We'll get to that in just a moment. But first tonight, KTTC is digging deeper into the toll that fentanyl and opioid use is taking on our country. The Drug Enforcement Administration is trying to draw more attention to fentanyl use, declaring today as a National Fentanyl Prevention and Awareness Day. Fentanyl is a synthetic opioid that is about 50 times more potent than heroin. Back in 2022, the DEA seized more than 58 million pills containing fentanyl and more than 13,000 pounds of fentanyl powder. That's enough to kill 387 million people. According to the CDC, more than 110,000 people in the U.S. died of drug overdoses and poisonings in 2022. About 70% of those involved synthetic opioids like fentanyl. Now, according to the State Department of Health, opioid overdose deaths rose 43% between 2020 and 2021. This graph shows a steady rise over the years in the amount of Minnesotans dying of opioid overdoses over the last couple of years. It is unclear how many of those involved fentanyl directly. And by